Welcome to Guns, Guns, Gear, and Guns with Gary Gunderson. I am Gary Gunderson. Over the weekend, I received an email from Centerfire Systems saying that they were selling K-31s for $400 as opposed to their regular price of $600. And this is the best deal I have seen in a while, at least since these were imported in pretty large numbers a few years ago, and they initially came in at 300 and gradually went up to the 5 or 600 range, which is pretty much the standard now. Now, these are without magazines, but they were at the 600 price point anyways, so I still think this is a good deal. But looking over the shipping, I do notice something pretty immediately. Something that may be a bit of a problem. You can see the stuck in there, a little peeking out, and it's just, there's the bolt. So it's obviously they packed the bolt separately from the firearm, but I will do a complete unboxing here and we will take a look and see if there's any damage, which I certainly hope there's not. Across the camera there. All right, so comes with a leather sling, which is nice. I don't even think I was aware of that. And the bolt is in the firearm. It was just extended. And they've really got the end wrapped up pretty tight. So, pretty simple packing job. A little bit of packing in there, and then a simple roll of bubble wrap. I mean, it looks pretty nice. Let me get this out of the way here. I am definitely pleased with the condition of the rifle, or carbine rather, since it is a K-31. I own a Swiss 1911 rifle already, but they are slightly different, and this is shorter and handier. So I'm familiar with the platform, but this is in really good shape. I mean, I would have paid up to get a magazine with it now, but I'm going to have to find one instead. It has the aluminum style barrel keg on the bolt handle. My 1911 has the kind of plastic stuff, and one of them's partially broken, so that's nice. I've always wanted one of these because I find them really interesting. You have this almost syringe-like safety, which is always kind of interesting to me. But, I mean, it's straight pull, bolt action if you're not aware. And the receiver and bolt do match, which is nice. Obviously, I will not have a matching magazine. Looking around online, magazines reproductions are between 50 and 60, and originals are around 100. You can see the driftable sight there. You know, overall, this is in really great shape. I'm pretty pleased with it. And the one thing I have left to do is to check to see if it has the fabled troop tag under the butt plate. For those who don't know, Many of these, when they come in, have a troop tag of the owner of the rifle from their military service when it was in Switzerland. So I'm going to take a look and see if we have one here. So there's no troop tag. There is a Roman numeral 12 and then 41, but no troop tag, unfortunately. That would have been cool, but obviously I'm still pretty pleased with this. For those wondering about the import marks, they are on the underside of the barrel and kind of hard to see with the stacking rod there. So that's probably the best case scenario on where you would put it on these. Looking closer at the sling, this is apparently from World War II era. I'm pretty sure that's a 43. It might be a 5. No, I think it's a 3. So that's pretty cool to have a World War II era sling come with it. Like I said, this is in great condition. These usually are. Sometimes, if anything, they have some chewed up butt stocks just from on the ends from storage, but not this one. So now I'm on the hunt for a magazine, but they are still on sale as of right now. They may not be by the time you see this if it's weeks or months from now. But this is the condition mine was in. Obviously, I have no affiliation with them, and they didn't know I was going to be recording this. But this is still a pretty nice piece of history, even though it's from a neutral nation. I know some people value them less because of that, but still a World War II era carbine, which is, at least if it's like the 1911 rifle, a joy to shoot. Anyways, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think of these, or if you have purchased one of these from Centerfire or one of the other recent batches from another vendor. Let me know how yours was in the comments. If this is kind of the same condition, better or worse, I would be interested to know. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you are not already. I'm sure I'll get some shooting done with this at some point and try to take some video. I'll have a bolt disassembly. I'll make other videos with this if you are curious. And expect lots more content on the channel. I have an Amazon affiliate link and other projects coming up. So be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.